If you think, bro, I need to learn something and that's why I would really want to do something in my life. So always remember, whenever you think, I really want to do something in my life, so don't think too much. You know what's your problem is, and also mine? It's thinking too much. So don't think too much. Whatever you are want to do, just do. Just go for it. Don't think about failures. Don't think about anything. Disrespect, respect, anything. Just go for it. And then you amazed by that thing. What the hell? I couldn't imagine this can be happen. This is crazy. You get the results you didn't accept it. Got it? Expect it. So that's why I'm saying don't think too much. Don't think too much. Okay? I'm highlighting this. Don't think too much. Just go for it. You know, the people's problem is to thinking too much. Lots of people just overthink and they overanalyze things. They think I will do these things like this and that. That is totally pointless. You just need to do a simple thing. That is, let's do. I don't know. I want to fail. I want to fail. Let's see what happens. I just want to see what will happen if I do this instead of this. Let's study, let's do something, let's study psychology, philosophy, anything. It could be anything. Okay? I'm not saying you can do this and that. It's your personal choice, what you want to do. So when you do this, you feel amazed and you get confidence. Why? Because when you choose something and then you do it every single day and you are disciplined in that particular area and you think, wow, this is really crazy. I really want to do that. So my message is don't think, don't overanalyze. Remember, I'm saying don't think, but I would say also think. Because you think in overthinking, but I'm saying think according to your action. Think how can you take actionable, make your actionable plan, make strategies, how can you achieve these things. I am saying this. So think, but in a limited, like I will think this. What is the pros, what is the con, how I can achieve this and that. Okay. You don't have right to think if I fail then what will happen, if I succeed what will happen. No. You don't need to think about those things. You just think about let's do for it. Only for fun. I don't care about it. I just want to enjoy. And everybody will die one day. So let's enjoy the process. I know I will get the result if I do the things in a right way. Okay? Right way. Like lots of people would say, do hard work. But no, hard work is not enough. Hard work in a right direction, that is the most important thing. Like donkey is also doing hard work, so much hard work. But he never achieved anything in life. So always remember this. So now you understand, okay, I don't need to think about too much. I just need to take actionable thing. I just need to take action. Just enough. So when you take action, then first day, second day, third day and fourth day, you will be so motivated, excited and you would think, oh, I can do anything. I am this and that. But always remember, this motivation will fade and the day will start from 1 week or 2 weeks. So always remember this. The first or 1 week, you would be do the things because you are excited, because you are motivated. But when it's come to second day, second week or third week, your motivation goes down and you are not feeling good. You get sick or anything and you would say, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that because I'm not feeling good about it. That's why I will not do that. Okay. Yes, if it's your choice. Okay. So Listen carefully, listen carefully. Whenever you are doing something, always remember, I'm going to be inconsistent. I cannot be consistent every day. Maybe I break my routine, but I don't need to stop. I always do. I always need to make my routine unbreakable. One day start with new day. So always remember, I need to stick with this routine. I need to stick with routine. I know someday I cannot follow my routine, but I need to. Always remember this. I know it gonna suck so badly, but you need to do that. No matter what, no matter what you are thinking, no matter what, I cannot achieve this and that, but you need to. You need to achieve success. And let's say you didn't achieve success, but you would be amazed by see yourself, past self, and your current self. So always remember, if you don't get anything, but remember you get something. Okay. It is impossible that if you do something you didn't get anything, you will get one thing. No matter what you do, you always take a reaction because of your action. When you do your action, reaction will always come. That is the principle. Okay, Newton's principle.